Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to Tech Media. In today's video I'm going to show you how to export files of smaller size using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. And now let's get right into it. So what we're going to do now is to create a new project. You can click on the new project. Let's give it a name, for example sample project. You can choose the directory where you want to save your project. In my case, I'm going to save it in Drive D. Then the rest of the settings, you can leave them as they are. Go ahead and click OK. So our project is loading, and here we are. Go ahead and resize this one. So we're going to drop our media here in this window here. So let's open up our downloads and check some media, maybe some music. Go ahead and drop this one in our library. Right, go ahead and get some video clips. You can get 2 or 3. Go ahead and drop them in the library again. Now we have our clips are ready. So to start building our video, we need to drop the items into the timeline. So once you drop any media on the timeline, automatically a sequence will be created, and going forward, that's where we are going to place all our media. So let's go ahead and drop the videos. So for the videos, you drop them under V1, 2, or 3. For the audios, you drop them under A1, A2, or A3. So for the videos, you drop them. Can put them there first. Alright, so we can join them to create one clip. Then we can preview. So let's go ahead and export this one now. So for us to be able to export this one for places like YouTube, we need at least to get a smaller file size so that we're able to upload it faster and also still maintain the clarity and the quality of the video. So go ahead and click File, go to Export, and then click the media. As you wait for this to load, I would like to request you to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video if you find this video beneficial to you, so that we can be able to continue doing more and more educative stuff. So we are here, so we're going to select a few settings so that we're able to export this video. So the first thing, the format, we're going to use the H.264, and then under the preset, you can select YouTube 1080 or 4K, whichever quality you want, or even 720 HD. So in this case, we're going to do 1080 full HD. Okay, once we select that one, the output name, we're going to select the directory. You can save it under Brainfox edited videos. We give it a name as sample test video, right? and then the rest of the settings you can leave them. Now to make sure that our video size, we check here, it is 33 MB, but this one can be reduced using one setting right here. Okay, and the video, you scroll down that window, and a bitrate encoding, we are going to select CBR, and then we can try to reduce this one a bit up to maybe 10. As you can see, the file size was reduced now to 245. Now the lower you reduce the bitrate, the target bitrate in Mbps, the less the quality might be. So let's leave it at around 8. Okay, so we have an export file of 201 MB. So as you can see, we've reduced it from 382 down to 201 MB, and now we can go ahead and export. So that is it for this video, and if you like the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and comment down there if there is any other video that you want us to do regarding the Adobe Premiere or any other Adobe software. Please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out any future content. Thank you.